Hey friends, if you wish to create a Wi-Fi network adapter report on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. We have a command. It is netsh space wlan space show space wlan report. I have shared it in the description section of the video. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. So it will need a while to generate the report, and then it will give a certain path. All we need to do is copy this path, okay, and then press Windows plus R and paste it here and hit enter. Okay, it will ask how to open this file. You can select Notepad or you can select any browser. I'll select Edge. Okay, now it will open the report in Edge. It will show you the status of everything, and it will also show you the computer name and everything here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.